Bonjour à tous. Today we came to the very famous Christmas market of Montreux. We came by train because the road gets very congested and getting a parking is very difficult. So let's enjoy. Welcome to the Fantasyland. We started from the south side of the market where we are welcomed with large colorful Santas. It's Switzerland's largest Christmas market with 160 stalls and probably one of the most beautiful as well, with the backdrop of the amazing Lac Léman. Beautiful glass bowls, amazing candies, handcrafts from Tanzania. Montreux Noël offers entertainment for all ages with its traditional Christmas market. This woodwork is amazing. Lovely handmade ornaments, cute little statues, scented candles. There is another special thing about this Christmas market. Santa gives a visit every hour at 5, 6 and 7 p.m. and on Saturdays 4 p.m. as well. It's amazing. Let's have a look at Santa. Ahead a bit more, and the colorful shop making the castagna grill in ancient way. Then a very popular sausage grill shop. As we stay nearby, this is like our local Christmas market. We come every year, but it never gets old. Now we will go to the most interesting part of the market, the food stalls. On the way, we experienced some lovely decorations with light and a cute handcraft shop. And now that we have spent some good time here, it's a good idea to have some snacks. Here you can get a lot of variety of local snacks and local drinks. Merci beaucoup, madame. Our favorite is waffle. Yummy. A little ahead, and we have the lovely spice shop, Bobo shop, a very special candle shop from Montreux. This is the most beautiful part of the market. The decorations and light are amazing. Here is the popular rosti shop, a must-eat local dish. And now the main attraction of the Christmas market, the Ferris wheel. Let's go on to it and enjoy the bird's eye view of the entire market. And the view from the top is amazing. It reminds me of childhood days whenever I ride such wheel. This is the popular logger's cabin, We will end our day at the Christmas market with some lovely slices of local pizza here. The ambience here is amazing. We really like the way they authentically decorate it, very much like an 18th century cafe. Bon appétit! So that's it. Hope we could show you the charm of this Christmas market. If you have enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do it. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our upcoming videos. So, ciao for now.